Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing the clock method, a built-in widget or a lightweight third-party app. You need admin rights and the correct OS version, otherwise installs fail. Once chosen, download from a trusted source or enable the widget in system settings and allow any clock permissions like background activity and startup. This prevents the clock from disappearing after reboot. Also pick 24-hour or 12-hour format now so you won't reconfigure later. Run the installer or enable the desktop widget and accept the permissions it requests. That grants automatic updates and startup. Next, set your time zone and choose 24-hour or 12-hour display so time stays accurate. Adjust font size, color, transparency, and snap the clock to a corner. These visual tweaks reduce distraction. Make sure to set the app to launch at startup and to be always on top if you want persistent visibility. This avoids replacing the clock each session. Once done, position and resize the clock where it won't block work, then compare it to an internet time source to verify sync. Save or export your settings so you can restore layout after updates and enable backups if the app supports them. If the clock doesn't appear on reboot, check startup entries, app permissions, and ensure time sync is enabled in system settings. If problems persist, restart the app, reinstall, or switch to the built-in widget as a reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.